Hi, my name is Héctor Leonardo de Jarano. In this presentation, we can appreciate travel itinerary. Low cut, height of the Virgin. This place is in Gama, Cundinamarca, Carlos Alejandro Marroquín tutor and course English B1. Low cut, height of the Virgin is one of the most beautiful tourist places in the municipality of Gama, located at height of 2,200 meters above sea in the east of Cundinamarca. 2.5 hours from Bogota, you will discover a temperature climate with, with a mostly clear view to enjoy of the sun, the landscape, and the routine activity or display. Duration of the trip. Within the diversity package is the all-inclusive comfort plan. This consists of 3 days and 3 nights, leaving from Bogota at 4 in the morning and arriving at the Bejuco Inn. Within this package, there are mountain biking activities, photography, ecological walks, camping, tours of the Guavio Dam, recreational fishing, among other activities. Means of transportation. To get to the locale, there are several options. Truck or agency, public transport company. You can also get there by private vehicle, and if you are adventurous, you can get there by bike. Activities to do. The first day, they left Bogota arrived at the Bejuco Inn at 6 a.m. Then they have breakfast. They settled down. They prepared to give a tour to the town of Gama. They have lunch and go to the locale. They can and carry out different activities that range from photography, kit and drone flying, ecological walks, among others. You return on the inn, where dinner is already prepared, and you can go out to explore this nightlife of the town. The second day, sport fishing is done, a boat is mounted, and camping is prepared. The third day, mountain biking is done, and you go to another inn, called Balcones de Ciatala. From there, you return to Bogota at 10 p.m. Places to stay. You can choose to stay at El, El Bejuco Inn or at the Balcones de Ciatala cabin, which are the closest to the viewpoint and the town. Typical foods: arepa de maíz, sopa de ruyas, arroz con pollo, yotas, arepa, pollo con yuca. Cost. The cost of the all-inclusive comfort plan for one person is only 400,000. Arriving in private vehicle, and if is from the agency in Bogota, is 414,000. Thanks for watching our presentation.